Okurangira oku kwarabirwa Ministry by'amagara kandi emikoro y'okurangira ku Uganda etakiine burwire bwa Ebola yakorerwa harime ya Gardens omuri district ya Mubende ey'oburwire bwa Ebola bwabarukire. Minister w'ebyamagara Dr. Ruth Jena Chengi owabakurire emikoro egi yagira ngu Ministry y'ebyamagara emazire ebiro 22 etakatungire mu rwire wena wa Ebola nukwe kurangira kwetakiroho.
Making a total of 42 days, yesterday, the 10th of January 2023, since the discharge of the last confirmed case on the 30th November 2022, having registered no new Ebola case, despite sustained intense surveillance, both at the epicenter districts and nationally. I now confirm that all transmission chains have been fully interrupted and take this opportunity to declare that the outbreak is over and Uganda is now free of active Ebola transmission.
Districts eziteganisibwa endwara egi harimu Kasanda, Kyegegwa, Kagadi, Wakiso, Masaka hamwe na Kampala.
Strengthen laboratory capacity, especially for field laboratory. And we are looking at having mobile field vans for Ebola, so that in future we don't have to displace programs. Like here in Mubende, we had to displace the entire HIV clinic. In future, this will not happen.
We want to build capacity. The capacity in the quality of the human resource that we have as far as the epidemic control is concerned. Not just epidemic, even other disease burdens. We have defeated Ebola. Malaria is killing so many people. TB continues to kill many people. We need to build a capacity to deal with disease burdens in our country.
Ogu gwibire guryo murundo gwa mushanju Ebola erukubarukaho mu Uganda kandi aha murundo ogu ekwasira abantu 182 yasigayita abantu 55 kinana na mushanju bakira.
The way that we have come together to respond to this particular Ebola virus outbreak is the way that we need to continue coming together to build our capacity here in Uganda and in Africa, to build our resilience and our health systems so that any other outbreak does not result in a similar difficult situation for any country on the continent of Africa.
Ebola ikabanza kubarukaho mu Uganda omwaka gw'2020 yije yagaruka yabarukaho omwaka gw'2027 2011 ikabarukaho emirundi ebiri omwaka gw'2012 2019 hamwe na n'omwaka oguhwire 2022 aha bwa TV West ndi Elias Rutugusa.